Once again, I'm welcoming you all to this beautiful online learning platform, Unacademy. Unacademy is the India's largest online learning platform. I'm welcoming you all to this. Now we are happy to announce that Unacademy is going to providing online training for GATE and engineering service exams. About myself, I G Venkata Rao. I have 16 plus years of teaching. Now first we check how to get Unacademy learning app into your device. Just go to Play Store, type Unacademy. Then you get the Unacademy learning app like this. By clicking on this install button, it will install the Unacademy learning app into your device. Now, first of all, you should know what you get by joining Unacademy. What you get? First of all, daily live classes. Every day you have a live class. The intention behind to conducting live class and every day is always to keep the students in touch with the subject. With that intention we started this, and at the same time in that live class you can chat with your educator, you can engage in discussions, and you can ask your doubts and you can answer the polls. All these things you can do while class is going on. After that, structured courses. In that, see, all our courses are structured in line with your exam syllabus. Every course is going to be updated by its updated exam syllabus, and that course is structured in a proper way based on the interrelation of the subjects. First which subject need to prepare, after that which subject, after that which subject. Everything is going to be properly arranged in a organized manner. After that, live tests and quizzes. See, once you complete your preparation, you need to test your preparation. To test that preparation, you need to go for regular tests and quizzes. So we provide that. So you can evaluate your preparation with our regular mock tests and quizzes and get detailed analysis on your performance. And unlimited access. Once you get subscription, you get access to all our live and recorded courses, and you can watch from the comfort of any of your device. So by taking the subscription once, you can watch the number of videos either recorded or live class number of times, and the comfortable of your device, either tab, laptop, desktop, mobile, tab, whatever it is, whatever the device you are feeling comfortable, you can go through the device. Okay. Next, there are two subscriptions. First one is a iconic subscription. It is the next level of the subscription. And plus subscription. Plus subscription is the basic subscription. In this, you get the daily live classes, what we discussed previous. After that, structured courses. Next, live tests and quizzes. Unlimited access. So all these things you get by taking plus subscription. All these things you get by taking plus subscription. Now, in iconic subscription, first you get all the benefits who got by the plus subscriber. all the benefits who got by the plus subscriber. You get first in iconic subscription. In addition to that, you get few benefits. They are personal coach. In that you get one-on-one guidance from top exam experts. One-on-one guidance from top exam experts. He is acting as your personal coach. And once you've written the exam, your personal coach is going to do the personalized test analysis on that. That means based on your preference, based on your performance in the test, they prepare proper study plan as well as respect to study material also, and they will forward those things to you. By following those two, every student can get success. Next, in study tracker, you can evaluate your progress in bi-weekly reviews with your personal coach. You can evaluate your progress in bi-weekly reviews with your personal coach. For that, you need to participate in study tracker plan and study booster workshops. Next, mains question and answer practice. In that, you can strengthen your mains answer writing through regular practice with evaluation and personalized feedback. What it means? See, in a mains paper, in a ES, you have a mains paper. In mains paper, different concepts from different subjects they will take. By combining those, they prepare the question paper. They frame the question based on those concepts. By combining those concepts. So first you should know, you should be in a position to answer those things. For that you need a proper preparation. Okay, so you can strengthen your mains answer writing through regular practice. Through regular practice with evaluation and personalized feedback. Okay, so regular practice you need, and do the evaluation. We do the evaluation and we give the personalized feedback to you. From the knowledge of that, you can easily face the mains paper. So these are the additional benefits you get in iconic subscription compared to plus subscriber. Okay, this is iconic subscription. Okay, now operational amplifiers problems. This is our today's topic, problems on op amps. Okay, now first level of applications we completed. Negative feedback linear applications almost we completed except one or two. Now we do some problems on that. Now first take the problem. Problem number 1. Already we done DC characteristics also. Now write a problem. An operational amplifier an op amp has PSRR of 120 decibels. 120 decibels. Okay. If supply voltage vary by plus or minus 2 volts, then change in input offset voltage will be see they given PSRR of 120 dB. Okay, and supply voltage changing by plus or minus 2 volts. That means delta Vs supply voltage changes by plus or minus 2 volts. And we have an equation for PSRR. PSRR in decibels is 20 log base 10 delta Vs by delta VIO, input offset voltage. Delta Vs by delta VIO, input offset voltage. Okay, now just substitute the values. They given this is a 120 dB, 20 it is 6 times. From this, delta Vs by delta VIO is 10 power 6. From this, delta VIO can be written as delta Vs by 10 power 6. It is plus or minus 2 volts they given, divided by 10 power 6. That is plus or minus 2 microvolts. Therefore, change in supply voltage is change in input offset voltage due to change in supply voltage is plus or minus 2 microvolts. Plus or minus 2 microvolts. Okay. Next one. Now we are going to a problem. This is based on PSRR. So next problem is on Smith this one slew rate. See, they given the data that is an op amp has slew rate of 1 volt per microsecond. If so, in this I am taking this one in a part 1 or part A. If input signal has frequency of 20 kilohertz. Calculate the maximum allowable or maximum allowed peak input voltage for distortionless output. Okay. Now see this. They given a slew rate 1 volt per microsecond. Slew rate is 1 volt per microsecond. Okay. Now for distortionless output, and we derived our equation for slew rate is dV0 by dt maximum. After derivation, we get, okay, once again, see how we know output is closed loop gain into A naught gain into input is Vm sine omega t, and after differentiation you get dv naught by dt, that is A naught into Vm into sine omega t is cos omega t into omega. The maximum value of this one is 1. Once it is maximum, that became slew rate, which is A naught into Vm into omega. Okay, so now we can write A naught into Vm omega Vm into 2 pi f or 2 pi f naught. Now they did not given any information related to gain, so you can take A naught is closed loop gain is 1. Okay, and the given operating frequency is 20 kilohertz. 20 kilohertz. What is the maximum amplitude of the input signal without distortions? From this expression, therefore, Vm maximum is slew rate by 2 pi into f naught. 2 pi into f naught into a naught. Just to substitute the values, it is 1 by 10 power minus 6 into 2 pi into f naught 20 kilohertz into a naught is 1. So this is, get the simplification. So this is a kilo and it is 10 power minus 3 became, and it is a 10 square, here it is 100, 2 to 4, it is 25, 25 by pi, divided by pi, that is 7.95 volts. This is the maximum value. So for maximum value, therefore for distortionless output, for distortionless output, Vm should be less than or equal to 7.95 volts. That's it. Should be less than that. Okay. Should be less than that. Next one. Third problem. Same thing. An op amp has slew rate of 1 volt per microsecond. Okay. If closed loop gain is 40 dB. Okay, and peak input is 500 millivolts. Calculate the maximum allowed signal frequency for distortionless output. Okay, it is also the problem similar to previous one. Now our equation is slew rate is A naught into Vm into 2 pi F naught. From this maximum allowed signal frequency F naught maximum to get distortionless output is slew rate by 2 pi into A naught closed loop gain into Vm. Just to substitute the values, it is a 1 by 10 power minus 6. It is 2 pi into 2 pi into Pm is 500 millivolts. It means 0.5 into A naught. The given A naught is 40 dB. So it is 20 V naught by 20 AV. 20 AV. 20 cancel 2 times. 10 square 100. Gain is 100. 200. Simplify this. So it is 1000. 100 cancel, it is 5. 5 into 2 10, it is 10. It is 100 by pi. 100 by pi. 100 by pi. That is 31.8. Okay. Sorry, it is a milli minus 0.5 by 2 pi minus 6 by 100. 100 is 5. Oh, sorry, sir. It is okay. All see this is cancel, it will, and it became 10 power 4. 0.5 and 2 gets cancelled. It is a 10,000 by pi. Okay. That is a 10,000 by pi. Divided by pi. That is 3.18 kilohertz. 18 kilohertz. This is the F naught maximum. Therefore, if for distortionless output, distortionless output F naught maximum is 3.18 kilohertz. 3.18 kilohertz. If it is varying more than this or less than that, if it is more than this, then your signal will be distorted. Signal will be distorted. Okay, clear? So that is the problem. Next problem. For an op amp, differential mode gain is 100 dB and V1 is 2 input voltages and 2 input voltages V1 is equal to 10 millivolts and V2 is 20 millivolts. Okay, and the CMRR and the CMRR, common mode rejection ratio, CMRR of op amp is 10 power 4. Sir, it is 40 dB, sir, not 100, sorry. It is 40 dB. Is 10 power 4. Then calculate the output voltage. Calculate the output voltage. Output voltage. First of all, you should know the output voltage. So by considering all this, your output voltage of your op amp is AD into VD into 1 plus 1 by CMRR into VC by VD. This is the complete output voltage. They given CMRR, and they given AD. So we need to get VD and VC. VD is mod V1 minus V2. A differential input V2 minus V1. That is 20 minus 10. It is 10 millivolts. And VC is V1 plus V2 by 2. That is 10 plus 20 by 2. It is 15 millivolts. 15 millivolts. Just to substitute that. And one more. Therefore, output voltage is AD 40 decibel in this sense. Its value is 100 terms of value, regular. 100 into VD 10 milli into 1 plus 1 by CMRR is 10 power 4 into VC 15 millivolts divided by VD 10 millivolts. So here this milli gets cancelled. So this is a milli and these two gets cancelled. So output voltage is 1 plus 1.5 by 10. That means 0.15 millivolts. 0.15 millivolts. Okay. So that is 1.00015 volt. That is the value. Okay, that is the exact value. Now, see, there is a navigate your GATE exam. It is going to be conducting. Navigate your GATE exam. It is the gateway to crack the GATE exam. Now the eligible departments for this exam is mechanical, civil, computer science and IT, and electrical and electronics and communication engineering students. Now this exam is going to be conducting on May 23rd, tomorrow at 11 AM. Don't forget that. Take this test and win a scholarship of worth up to 5 crores. Enroll now. Use my code to invite Rao10, and just see an AV related to this.
That's right. If you aspire to prepare for GATE, Navigate by Unacademy is just for you. It is the largest
that is about navigate. Don't miss that. And see, Unacademy combat. Every month, every Sunday, we are conducting a combat. This is a scholarship test. In that scholarship test, if you get the rank 1, 2, 3, you get the complimentary Unacademy Plus subscription for 1 year. And if your rank is 4 to 10, you get 75% off 75% off on Unacademy Plus subscription for the tenure of your choice. And if your rank is 11 to 50, you get 50% off on Unacademy subscription for the tenure of your choice. And for rank 51 to 100, you get 25% off on Unacademy Plus subscription for the tenure of your choice. Okay, now the tenure is here 6 months, either 12 months, 1 year, or 1.5 year, or 2 years for GATE and ESE Plus subscription. Now whatever the amount of tenure you are taking, that is a choice is yours. About this exam is these are the eligible departments: mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, computer science and IT departments. It is the India's largest weekly competition for GATE exam, and you can assess your GATE preparation in 60 minutes. And we are challenging that original GATE questions which was curated by the best educators. Original GATE questions which was curated by the best educators in that, and take it live to compete with the best. So compared to topper where you are, you can get that information. And it is a super fast and fun with all India live leaderboard. At the same time, for completion of the test, you get the detailed video solutions. From the knowledge of these detailed video solutions, you can identify the problems which are unable to solve by you, and you can solve that problems, and you can enhance your knowledge. Now the next combat is coming on tomorrow, 23rd, Sunday at 11 AM. Don't forget. And don't forget to use my code VRAO10. This is the enrollment guide for scholarship test. And enroll for free from your Android mobile. Appear live for the test and get the video solutions. After that, you get a weekly practice. The same way you can practice weekly and win the scholarships. After weekly practice, you can win the scholarship test by doing the same up to 3 to 4 weeks. At 1 week, definitely you win the scholarship. Now, yeah, see this, there is a Master Blaster practice series is going on. It is a free special class series. In that, 10,000 practice questions for GATE exam. 10,000 practice questions is not that much joke. It is a very useful one. So my dear students, don't miss this opportunity. And those questions was curated by top educators at Unacademy. These are the eligible departments: computer science, electrical engineering, electronics and communication, mechanical, civil and chemical. And use my code to join for free, VRAO10. Now, so far we solved few problems on PSRR. Next, slew rate. After that, we use that is CMRR. Okay, we solve the problems on that. Next, we are going to take the problems on circuits, op-amp applications point of view. Okay, just take the circuit. Now, take the problem. So first take the op amp. This is the problem. Is minus 2 volts, 2k, 10k, and this is V naught. Here is 50k. Okay. So here you need to calculate three parameters. First one is its input impedance. Second one is load current. Third one is output voltage. Okay. First of all, here you are applying input voltage and this is the input current. Input current. By applying virtual short circuit concept, voltage at inverting equal to voltage at non-inverting. So voltage at this point is 0 volts. This is the current 0 amperes IB minus, and this is the current IF. Actually we don't want, but this is seems to be inverting amplifier. It is directly we can apply. So it is inverting amplifier. Inverting amplifier. Okay, inverting amplifier. For inverting amplifier, output voltage is minus RF by R1 into VI. Here it is going to be R1, it is going to be RF. And this is your VI. Substitute the values. Substitute the values. Minus RF value is 10k by R1 value is 2k into VI is minus 2. Kk gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, minus into minus plus, it is 10 volts. Output voltage is 10 volts. So this is 10 volts. Once it is 10 volts, now IL is 10 by 50k. So IL is V0 by 50k. That is 10 by 50k. Okay, 1 by 5.2 milliamperes. 0.2 milliamperes. That is IL value. After that, so it is 0.2 milliamperes. And after that, input impedance. Just apply KVL to this. Apply here. Now VI is, we can write input current is, input current can be written as minus 2 minus 0 by 2k. This is its input voltage. Okay, from this input voltage by input current is 2k. That is the input resistance Ri. So Ri value is 2 kilo ohms. This is the data about this one. Okay. Next problem. Problem number 6. 2 volts. Here is 4 volts. It is 8K. This is 2K. This is output. Okay. Now get the output voltage. So what is the output voltage? Simple one. So just apply superposition theorem. Once you considered 4 volts, it is a inverting amplifier, and once you consider this one, it is non-inverting amplifier. So sum of 2 is the output. Therefore output voltage is, first considering this, 1 plus RF by R1, 8K by 2K into 2 volts, plus minus RF by R1, 8K by 2K into VI, 4 volts. That's it. So this is 5 into 2, 10, minus, it is 4, 16, minus 4 volts. That is the result. Okay, very simple one. With respect to this, it is a inverting amplifier. With respect to this, inverting. With respect to this, non-inverting. So with respect to this one, your output is simply, let us take it is RF and it is R1, minus RF by R1 into V1, and with respect to this, it is 1 plus RF by R1 into V2. Let us, it is voltage V1, it is V2. Just I added these two, not more than that. Okay, that is your circuit diagram. Next problem, problem number 7. Problem number 7. Now first take the circuit diagram. Is 8K and it is 4K. $10K, 2 volts, 2K, 2K, it is 8K, it is 1 volt, 1 volt. Okay, now get the value of output voltage. It is also similar to that. First take this circuit into two parts. Let us, I am taking this is a V0 dash. To get that V0 dash, here the current entering into this is 0 amperes. Current entering into op amp input terminals, it is also 0 amperes. So with respect to this, it is an inverting amplifier. With respect to this, it is a non-inverting amplifier. Add the two equations. Now first I am getting that value V0 dash. So V0 dash is, with respect to this, it is non-inverting. Let us take it as RF and R dash. So V0 dash is, with respect to this 2 volts, this V0 dash became 1 plus RF by R dash, 1 plus RF by R dash into 2 volts, and with respect to this 1 volt, V naught dash is minus RF by R dash into 1 volt. Okay, now I am getting that value. V naught dash is 1 plus RF by R dash is a 8K by 2K into 2 volts plus minus 8K by 2K into 1 volt. 1 volt. Now it is, simplify this, cancel, it is 4. It is 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 into 2 10 minus 4 volts. It is 6 volts. So the voltage at this point is 6 volts. Now it is inverting amplifier. Therefore output voltage is minus 8K by 4K into 6 volts. V naught dash, that is minus 2 into V naught dash. Minus 2 into V naught dash is 6 volts. That is minus 12 volts. Minus 12 volts. Okay. Simple everywhere. Just apply the condition. First, the given circuit is belongs to either inverting mode or non-inverting mode or combination of both inverting and non-inverting. Both the input terminals, they may apply the input data. Okay, based on that, write the respective equation and substitute the values. That's it. So next problem. See the circuit. See, 1K, 10K, 10K. 1K, 10 kilo ohms, 10 kilo ohms. And it is 1 kilo ohm Vi. Okay, it is V naught. Calculate the gain. So what is the V naught by Vi value? Get the gain. Okay. For that, need to apply the regular process. It is grounded. That's why this is also grounded. 0 volts here. And current entering into this is 0 amperes. Let us take this current is I1. This current is I2. This current is I3. And this current is I4. At the same time, let us take a node voltage Vx. Okay, once this is 0 current, you can consider this is the same current. I1 is equal to I2. So here I1 equal to I2. Now apply the KCL. Okay. No need of that. Just we follow the regular procedure. Usually not that much complexity. Now at this point I am applying KVL. Apply the KCL. So entering current is I1, leaving current is I2 plus 0. So I1 is equal to I2. So you can write your I1 value is Vi minus 0 by 1K. Vi minus 0 by 1K is equal to I2 is 0 minus Vx by 10K. Vx by 10K. These two gets cancelled. Now Vx equal to minus 10 Vi from this. Vx equal to minus 10 Vi. That's it. This is the first information we get. Vx equal to minus 10 Vi from that. Okay, after that, now I'm applying KCL at node X. So KCL, here I'm going to applying the KCL. So it is I2 is entering equal to I3 leaving plus I4 also leaving. I2 is 0 minus Vx by 10k equal to I3 is Vx by 1k plus I4 is Vx minus V0 by 10k. Kk gets cancelled. This 10 also gets cancelled and it became 10. It became 10 Vx. Okay, now 11 Vx, take Vx this side, 12 Vx. Now therefore V0 is equal to 12 Vx. Therefore 12 into Vx is nothing but a minus 10 Vi. Therefore V0 by Vi is minus 120. This is the gain of the amplifier. Gain of the op amp circuit what they given. Okay, gain of the op amp circuit what they given. See here, there is a new batches going on. There is a ascend batch for GATE 2023 for Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, for ECE department. It was started from 12th May 2021. And don't forget to use my code VRAO10 during subscription. Here are the team of faculty who are going to be handling these subjects in this batch. Next, again there is a ascend batch for GATE 2023 for electrical engineering students. And it was started from 12th May 2021. And don't forget to use my code VRAO10 during subscription. Okay. Here are the team of faculty. Next, there is a eval batch going on for GATE 2022. This time this is for Electronics and Communication Engineering students. And the team who are handling the subjects for GATE 2023, same members are handling these subjects in this also. And don't forget, and the classes were started from 12th May. And don't forget to use my code VRAO10 during subscription to get 10% discount. Now, for electrical students, booster batches are going on. This will start from, it was started from 19th May. Now the batches are from for RSEB, UPR VUNL and for state AE board. For these competitive exams, these are the team of faculty are going to handling these subjects in this. Okay. Now, so we are going to take few more problems on this. Okay. Now just I am giving a problem. Calculate the gain of this. So calculate gain V0 by Vi. Okay. First take the problem. So two op amps are there. Two op amps are there. For these two op amps, V01, V02, this is V0, it is RL load, and the input is this is Vi, it is R, it is 4R, it is R, it is 3R, let us. Now get the V0 by Vi. Okay. Now, first of all, I am writing the equation for V0. V0 is nothing but a voltage at this point V01 minus voltage at this point V02. Now, this is Vi. So let us take it is Vi. I am splitting this. So it is Vi. Now this is going to be inverting amplifier and this is non-inverting amplifier. Okay, so it is non-inverting. Non-inverting amplifier. This is inverting amplifier. Inverting amplifier. Now write down the equations based on that. Therefore, inverting amplifier from inverting non-inverting V01 is 1 plus RF by R, 3R by R into Vi. So that is 4 Vi. And V02 from inverting amplifier minus 4R by R into Vi. Minus 4 Vi. Therefore, V0 is V01 4 Vi minus of 4 V02 minus 4 Vi, which is plus 8 Vi. Therefore, V0 by Vi is 8. That is the gain. Okay, that is the gain of the circuit. So like this, we can solve the problems on this. Take another problem. Take a problem. Output and so this is the circuit. It is 2 kilo ohms, 1 kilo ohm and 1 kilo ohm, 2 kilo ohm, 2 kilo ohm. Okay, everything is over. Now we need to calculate the output voltage. See, there are different loops are there. Just identify the respective node, identify the voltage at that node, apply the KCL. Finally, it will take you to get the value of V0. Let us first, this is the node. It is nothing but a node at this point. Now this is 1 volt, that's why the voltage at this point is 1 volt. 1 volt. Similarly, it is 2 volts, so the voltage at this point is 2 volts. 2 volts. Now get the current equations. Let us take, this is I1, I2, I3, I4, I5. Let us assume the voltage at this point Vx. Okay. Now let us take node A and another node B. This is node C. 3 nodes. Now I am applying KCL at node A. First KCL at node A. I1 entering, I2, I3 leaving. I1 is equal to I2 plus I3. So I1 is 0 minus 1 by 2k equal to I2 1 minus Vx by 1k plus I3 1 minus 2 by 1k. 1 minus 2 by 1k. Just to simplify, you get the Vx value. So it is first get kk gets cancelled. Now this 2 is here 2. Here it is 2. So minus 1 is equal to 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 Vx. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus 2. Getting minus 2 and plus 2 gets cancelled, minus cancelled. Therefore Vx is 1 by 2 volts. So voltage at Vx is 0.5 volts. Okay, so far we got the value at Vx. Now I'm going to apply KCL at node. This is 0 current. 0 current, 0 amps. Okay. Now applying node KCL at node C. KCL at node C. So at node C, I3 entering, I5 leaving, and I4 also entering. Now it is I4 plus I3 equal to I5. I4 value is Vx minus 2 by 2k. Okay, by 2k plus I3 1 minus 2 by 1k plus equal to I5 2 minus V0 by 2k. Okay. Now this is cancelled 2 and it is 1. Now it is 2. Here you can write 2. So kk also gets cancelled. Now it is a Vx minus 2 minus 1 into 2, it is minus 2 equal to 2 minus V0. Is 2 and okay. Now Vx value is 0.5. It is 0.5 minus 4 minus 6 equal to minus V0. Therefore V0 is 5.5 volts. Output voltage is 5.5 volts. Okay. Just a minute. Minus 1 by 2. Okay. It is minus 1, 2, minus 2 Vx, minus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. Vx is 1 by 2.5 Now Vx minus 2 by 2k. So 0.5 minus 2, 1.5. Okay. Vx minus 2 minus 2 equal 2 minus V naught. Okay. So it is point, taking this one is minus 6 minus 6.5. It is minus 5.5. Here is V naught. So V naught is 5.5 volts. That is the problem. So this is the way to solve the problems. Here are the top educators from Unacademy. Tiwari sir, he is the IIT topper. He has 7 years of GATE and ESE teaching experience. He is the author of the book GATE in 75 days, and he is the mechanical engineering student. Ankit Goyal sir, he obtained All India first rank twice in GATE Electrical, and he was awarded President of India Gold Medal in IIT Indore. He teaches electrical and electronics engineering. Jaspal Singh sir, he is ex-IAS officer. He got All India 4th rank, and he is a scientist, GATE State Service Exams and PSU topper, ex-senior MEDESE faculty, and he is having more than 12 years of experience. Sanchit Jain sir, he is a computer science faculty, having teaching experience more than 8 years. So IIT topper, IIT gold medalist, GATE topper, IES topper, okay, well experienced faculty. So this is the combination of the team. That's why we are claiming that our educators are the top educators. Here are few more top educators from Unacademy. So these are the different engineering and GATE and ESE departments available in Unacademy. Electronics and Communication Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Computer Science and IT departments, Instrumentation Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Production and Industrial Engineering. General aptitude and mathematics is common for all. So as mentioned previous, plus plan and iconic plan, 2 plans is there. In these 2, India's best educators are handling your subjects. Interactive live classes are there, structured courses and PDFs, live tests and quizzes. In iconic plan, once you written the test and you attempted a quiz, it was forwarded to your personal coach. So personal coach do the personalized test analysis. So based on your performance in the test, they provide a study planner to you as well as respective study material to you. By following these 2, every student can get success in their examinations. Okay. Plus plan. These are the different subscriptions available in plus plan. 1 month subscription, 3 month subscription, 6 months, 1 year, 1.5 year and 2 year subscription. The beauty is here EMI option also available. And for as a faculty, I recommend the students to take minimum 1 year subscription to complete all the subjects preparation and identify the gaps in their exam in their preparation and to fulfill those. And by using my code, you get it by 10% discount. Don't forget that. In iconic plan also 2 subscriptions are available and EMI option also is there. 1 year subscription and 2 year subscription. For 1 year it is 50,250. By using my code, you get it by 10% discount, 45,225 rupees only. And don't forget to use my code VRAO10 during subscription and hit the bell icon for getting notifications. Subscribers, raise the hand symbol, and please give your valuable comments on YouTube. And join our Telegram group for getting latest updates on our upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Thanks for spending your valuable time with us. Once again, I am welcoming you all to this beautiful online learning platform, Unacademy. Thank you.